Johnny Lightning, the Frantic Ferrari! Oh, this thing's glimmery cool! I bet it's frantic down the racetrack! Ha ha!
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club.
1968 Hot Wheels! I'm excited! How about you? Oh!
It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
It's been years since I've seen a Rumbler. Oh, Johnny Lightning! I think this is the Ferrari! Look at that in gold. Man, he had a theme going. This one is sweet. Look at the paint on that. It's shiny as the day it came off the assembly line. Big side pipes on there. Now the red line on the front tire came off, but that's okay. You got it on the back. Oh, it's not on either side. Maybe it's a mistake. Maybe they were running out of red lines and put this on in its place. Johnny Lightning, Topper, Frantic Ferrari, US and patent pending. Oh, God. These Johnny Lightnings, my Topper, are just blowing me away. Now this is still our big tire. I checked a couple that were missing a tire, and let me tell you, this tire is bigger than all those other ones, so I have no idea what it goes to. Oh, Johnny Lightning, Frantic Ferrari. This one is short and sweet, cool and clean. I bet that is one fast ride. Look at that profile, man. These things, when you get down close on them, these vintage old ones, look at the paint on this thing. It's reflecting everything in the world. It's so shiny. Dig that engine. Man, oh man. So different, so cool. I gotta talk, but I don't wanna. I want a moment of silence. This is so cool. Look at the markings on the side, the door, the lines, the trim. Oh, that hatchback, slope back, fastback. It is rocking. Rocking the sockings. Oh, Topper. Johnny Lightning. Let's get closer. Let's get it in focus. And there we go. Frantic Ferrari. US and foreign patent pendings. Oh, that is a fantastic Ferrari. Oh boy, what do you think? Johnny Lightning? Yes, please, yes, please! So beautiful the sound, racing through a Hot Wheel track. So fast. I'm loving it! Ha-ha! Woo! Look at that. STP and Firestone! Hot Wheels! All great sponsors of today's event. Look at these two. Killer combo. Oh! Ho, ho! The Mighty Maverick is not that mighty. Oh, but that Ferrari really rocked it. Sweet racing. Oh, we're at Johnny Roman's Supper Club, and we got Bill's 1969 Hot Wheel case cars all lined up in front of the Supper Club. Look at them all. Oh, and guess what else is in front of the Supper Club? Rumblers and the racetrack. Oh yeah! So much fun! Oh boy, let me tell ya, it's a short track, but It is sweet as can be. Thanks for coming into the supper club. Take a look. Let's see what races and what doesn't. Oh! I think that's it for the racing today. But let me tell ya, we might come back another day and see what we got to race. I'm not gonna take any chances with Billy Bob Brewbakes, my best buddies, cars. Nothing happened, no damage, no chips, no nothing on these runs. But oh, they were happy to be on the track again. Oh, when's the last time you watched Sizzlers race the track? I'm telling you. So much fun here at the supper club. Going for the race of the century. Simple and short, killer and cool. Yeah, Johnny Lightnings and Tom Daniels Iced Tea, which would not race because it just got some repairs done on their roof. Oh, so much fun here at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It's 3:16 on old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Woo! This is a rumbler. Listen to it on the track. Nice. Look at this matchup, Rumbler against Rumbler. Oh, down the strip, down the track, all the way to the very end. Oh, look at that. So much fun. Are you ready to race? Here we go. Got the finger on the button. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the chopper wins. Motorcycle chopper, not the chariot chopper! Oh, look at this! Here we are in hot rod racing heaven here! This is so much fun, let me tell ya. Choppers, always a cool choice on bikes. Yes, indeed. Woo! And the winner is... So nice. Yes. Man. Oh, look at that. Worked great. Oh, those spots. Killer. God, man, there's so much fun. The chariot chopper. Let's take a ride. Beautiful! Perfect! Stopped right in front of his rumbler buddies, loving it! Ha ha ha! Woo, baby! Okay, Johnny Lightning against Hot Wheels, Tom Daniel design. Ready, set, go! Oh, by a nose! And because their nose is so long on that Johnny Lightning, they're heavy and they're wild. Oh, look at that. Nice. Totally fun. So here's the whole collection in front of the supper club. Isn't that amazing? You've got rumblers, You've got Johnny Lightning. You've got early first edition Hot Wheels. And then this guy, I forget who he is. Zowie Wowie, something Bowie. Look at those rumblers. These are the coolest. I'm telling you. Look at this hot pink Seasider. Just amazing, blowing my mind. Oh, thank you so much for lending me these. This turns my frown upside down. Some vintage cool Hot Wheels.
I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that?
This is the place to be.